Hello my YouTube friends, this is Mechanic Kid, and today me and Big Bob, we are working on the 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe. And what we're going to be doing today, we are going to be changing the rear passenger side brake light bulb. And what you're going to need is, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver just to remove these two bolts out of here. And you're also going to need a 2357. So we're going to start removing it. As you see right here, you have the two Phillips screws, and all we got to do is just remove them. That's one. And two. Wow. And right here in the side, right here, you're going to have two clips. So what you have to do is you have to pull it, grab it over here. Once you grab it, what you're going to do is you're going to pull it towards you. This haven't been removed in so long. That's why.
Nah, I know.
Okay. Right in here, you can see it. Bang.
There you go.
It took me a long time because right here, this little rubber piece goes in here. So instead of pulling it this way, I was doing it wrong. You got to pull it out.
Okay.
Once you do that, the bottom one is your brake. So all you're gonna do is, got all these wires here. You're gonna take this here, and you're gonna turn it. You're gonna turn it that way. Once you turn it, there goes your light bulb.
It's burned out?
Yeah, it's burned out. And all we're gonna do is turn it. Once you turn it, it's out. Now let me just show you something right quick. If you see right here, this little notch is here. One is higher than the other one. And if you look in here in the socket, you gotta find the correct one. And all you have to do is push it in right through those little holes. And all you do is turn it.
But you should put the importance of wearing the gloves. Don't touch it with your hands.
Yep, there you go. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it right back. We're gonna put it in here. And once we put it, let me just show them this right quick. Yeah. Right in here, this thing got holes. You see, you got three of them, and this one is bigger. So you're gonna find the bigger one, which is this. You're gonna turn it. Once you put it in, all you gotta do is turn it in. Once you turn it, it's in. Now don't forget this notch here. This little rubber piece gonna go right in this hole. Show them the hole right here. No, this one.
Yep, I got you.
Right there. So all we're gonna do is just make sure we push that in. Once you push it in, this is in. Come this way, Bob.
Wow, you made that look easy as hell.
And now what we're gonna do is put the screws back in.
Get the fuck out. You know what the mechanic would have charged me for this?
Now, Bob, you gotta go see if it's working. Go turn it on. And there he goes. One more time, Bob. There he goes. Both of them? Yep, they're both working. So there you go. This is how you replace the rear brake light bulb on your 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe. Once again, this is Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.